The world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know what go already, you know. When me load up, aim up, crank up, sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion about ya. Hear me man? Hey, you know are the people's champion, don't it? Watch this. You know a Gaza favorite. Here what I go on now. You know are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear me now, man? I have good and bad news, you know. Which one you know want to hear first? Yo, I make the good news stay for last, you know. Because you see if the best say last. I saw the thing go. So here what I go on. The bad news is, I want to know, you know. Oh, you don't like me now. I thought the blogger them on YouTube would have run up them mouth. And I talk about Vibes Cartel response to this and Vibes Cartel send people got this and sicker rhyme, this and that. And what's it not? Eh? Oh, you don't like me now. Because watch this. The big politician man, you know, who want to claim, you know, say the people, them family, you know. The man come out, you know, and say, you know, right now when Sikarim get better, you know, him need Sikarim to come public and make the people them know, say, you know, him family them not involved in nothing, you know. And nothing at all what reach him family them that not happen half a film business nor nothing, you know. So the man say him need the ear for clear upon that, you know. So I want to know how you like me now, you know, because me that tell you, you know, you shut up on a lollipop mouth, you know, because how you know, you know, say them thing there, you know, happen half of the behalf of Sikarine getting hurt. You know, remember me that one, you know? Eh? You never remember the night of December. Eh? You never remember me that one, you know. Yo, me I tell you, you know. People personal life and them shit there, you know. And a laughing matter, you know. And a thing one can just run off on a beak and go like on a 24 parrot, you know. My virgin. You see me? When you have no credible thing about it, you know, and not even know nothing at all about it, you know, because you never hear from the people, them family never spoken, you know, and you never hear from Sikarime, and I don't know how Sikarime forget hurt. You see what I deal with that in the hospital and underneath medical attention, and have time for them on phone for talk to people and said this or said that or whatever. Yo, let me tell you something, you know, behave on a lollipop self, you know. You see what I deal, but I tell you something. 10-star could have a whole heap of followers, you know. If 10-star just try to be controversial, you know. Or try to be a man where like talk some things where people like a bag of mix up thing, you know. You see what I deal with, but me are not them type of them youth there. You see what I deal with? Because if I that me I do. Yeah, right now, I would have different thing I go on my channel because I can't do it like me, I not hardcore like me, and I not a lollipop thing. You see me? I one of the wickedest thing where hold the camera upon myself. And I not a lollipop thing. You know, if you know, watch me now, Gaza Nation. The good news is, you know, them said the world boss thing advanced. So right now, any minute now, we can look for the royal boss come a road. But here we go on Gaza Nation. You don't know, say, the reason why the world boss dead are because people are trying to fight against him and a bad mind him and not like him progress and to how him have dancehall and to how him have the nation of people behind him, right? So you know them still will say, try to do any local thing for even try hurt the boss, because we not going to put that past them because the man already dead already and that alone prove it to it. You see what I deal with when him not deserve for dead. So here we are going. We are going to strengthen up the prayer for world boss in the Gaza Nation. We see me call prayer move mountain. And here we are going. Them already have the verdict already, you know. It's just the day where them are going to announce it. But I'm tell you something. They say for the in America that Gaza nation, the same day the verdict, you know, leave the justice system, you know, and reach at the penitentiary, you know. At the same minute there, them have to free him, you know, them couldn't even wait the next minute, you know. We need to know that. But here we go on Gaza nation. We give thanks and praise to the Most High because no man is worthy enough. Right now, Gaza nation, I feel like the world boss are going to drop a road before even the Christmas. I feel like the world boss are going to spend the Christmas with him family. What wanna think? What wanna say? You know what I mean? Because I don't tell you already, you know, we not sit down and think negative. When you think negative, it's only negative and sound you can't come up with. You hear that? So I want to know sound strong up right now. You know what I mean? We have to put in some prayer. You know what I mean? And hopefully, you know what I mean? We can see the world boss in a December. You see what I say? In a real life. You see me? So it's a good look because this appeal, you know, can't go Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way, you know. Because remember, you know, out of the whole justice system, we want to see come out of it. Good. All I want to see come out of it, I never know fairy tales. Be a fairy tales thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's all we see come out of it. All we see come out of it, them tell lie and them fabricate, be evidence and all of them stupidness there. You know? And them never have nothing credible for talk about or nothing credible, you know what I mean? In them system for proof, so well then, whatever obligation them talk about, them right about it. You know? Them not have no proof or nothing, nothing at all. You know what I mean? Them all them destroy the evidence, all the evidence them more than anything else. So there ain't nothing else we are look for but Gaza way. There ain't no other way. Free world boss. Long live the dancehall king. The dancehall king live long. Free dancehall pharaoh. Free Vibes Cartel. Free Adidja Palmer. And a lollipop thing. And let me tell you something, Gaza nation. Me hear a local lollipop blogger when name tell you. Me see him put up video about I do. A long time video you put up in a youth. And if you know your history I talk about I do and I talk about when him bus and busy signal and move out of bus, you know, Cartel live confused. After Cartel tell him not challenge him because him confused, him want to use the same argument. But the man confused and when him say Addy I'm daddy and give him the straw there for hold on and I say him get strength. Yo, do not lollipop you I wanna make I don't wanna tell you no foolishness. I run a come and dig up long time video for throw in a Gaza people face. That can't happen in a youth. Cause a cartel bring I don't want to Bounty Killer and tell him say, yo, that's when Bounty Killer start react. Don't say nothing, just shut up your mouth and make him enjoy himself because as soon as him cool down, him go talk to you. And when the cartel bring him to Killer and make Killer know, say, this I do and I'm want you for make him tell you how Killer go on. Make him tell you how Killer wild out and go on. And him have to stand up there and watch Killer wild out and when Killer done, Killer talk to him. Yo, when Vibes Cartel left the alliance, him no run behind Vibes Cartel and say, Addy, I'm daddy. Eh? Where you talk about? The man did call you. You know, run behind the man and say, Alliance never do you, I do, and nothing. A Vibes Cartel, you run behind and say, Addy are your daddy. So where you talk about? Remember, you know, I don't know, that same year that you go sting in your white suit, you know. Remember, you know, your walking stick, you know. Remember, stand up the people that want to stand up by you, my virgin. You forgot? Because the people them vex just because, just because you and I don't leave the alliance, and alliance was the most powerfulest thing in a dancehall them time. You never have nothing in a dancehall street or powerful. Good. The powerful like alliance at that time. You know what I mean? No. Everybody know that. You know what I mean? Are the strongest force that in a dancehall and who defeat alliance. Cartel left Alliance get shaken, and him alone defeat Alliance. So what you talk about I do now? What you do? Remember Cartel defeat Alliance and take the hype from Alliance and have that for himself, from them time there until now, And you say your body I do now. What you do? So I don't know what I talk about. If you check the levels, are you confused for real? So tell you TV, it look like you confused to come. I don't know where you're going for a long time video and a pose up. All on the hunger do when you talk, all on the hunger do a shame on your own self. You see what I deal with? Because him just said that at that time they in a studio around him friend them just because Vibes Cartel make him know same confused. 1 minute he must say Alliance, next minute he must say JOP, next minute he must say Addy and Daddy. I don't lie the man I tell, no way him do. I don't know fairy tales that way him do. Stick to one thing. The man tell him. So what I talk about? Tell you TV, go sit on one side, man. I want to now. Let me tell you something. You don't go fancy around computer and them thing and the way you edit on the thing. And you look at fan dangles and song a play and on the thing when you not play. Let me tell you something. You not tough on YouTube. If I do what I do with all kind of gimmicks and mix up my last, you can't do this like me. You not hardcore like me. And me are the choosing one. You hear that? And that's why I have to come them way there. Notice. When time I hear me I represent a real fuck shit me I go You know what I mean? Because them choose me to do that. You see me? Because you have too much lollipop blog up on TV, on YouTube, and somebody have to do it. And are the choosing one that. What? Yo, Gaza way Free world boss. World boss free now. Long live the dancehall king. The king live long. Free Aditya Palmer. Free Gaza Nation boss. Free dancehall Pharaoh. Free Vibes Cartel. Watch.